Let me tell you a truth. Motivation will not stay with you. Someday you will feel like working. Most days you won't. And if your success depends on motivation, you will keep starting and stopping. But what if I tell you you can stay consistent even when you feel nothing? My name is Dilip Patil. And in my 90 days discipline journey, there were many days I had zero motivation, no energy, no mood, no excitement. But still, I showed up every single day. So today, I will not give you motivation, I will give you a system. Let us understand this clearly. Why motivation fails? Because motivation is based on emotion, mood, external triggers, and emotions are unstable. Today, you will feel inspired. Tomorrow, you will feel tired. So, if you depend on motivation, your action will always be inconsistent. That's why most people start strong, quit silently, not because they are weak, but because they depend on motivation. The biggest shift I made in my life was this. I stopped asking, do I feel like doing it? And I started asking, is this important for my goal? This one shift changed everything. Because now my action was not controlled by feelings, it was controlled by purpose. First system I followed fixed time rule. Every day, same time, same action. No negotiation. For example, morning 6:30 recording, evening posting, whether I feel good or not. I showed up because when time is fixed, decision is removed. Second system, small action rule. One, on low energy days, I did not try to do everything. I just did one small action. For example, recorded one video, write one paragraph, do 10 minutes work because small actions keeps momentum alive. System number 3. This is powerful. No 0 day rule. No matter what happens, day should not go empty. Even if it is 5 minutes work, one small step, but zero is not allowed. Because consistency is not about intensity, it is about continuity. System number 4, remove friction. Make your work easy to start. For example, keep setup ready, keep tools ready, reduce thinking because most people don't fail in doing, they fail in starting. And this is the most important system, identity system. Don't say, I want to be consistent. Say, I am a consistent person. Because when identity changes, behavior follow automatically. Let me tell you, honestly, low energy days will come. On those days, don't aim for perfection. Aim for completion. Do minimum, but do. Because skipping one day is easy, but restarting is hard. There were days in my 90-day challenge when I was tired after office. I did not feel like recording. I wanted to skip, but I told myself, just do one video. And once I started, I completed it. This is the power of starting small. The biggest lesson I learned, you don't need motivation. You need system. Motivation is temporary. Systems are permanent. So if you are struggling with consistency, stop waiting for motivation. Start building system because successful peoples are not more motivated. They are more disciplined. So if you are serious about changing your life, then I want you to take one step today. Start your own 30-day consistency challenge and comment below. I will stay consistent and I will guide you. Also, like this video, share with someone who keeps quitting, subscribe for daily growth because this journey is about discipline, not motivation. Thank you.